Welcome to this walkthrough of the RedotPay app, a platform designed for managing crypto assets and spending. We land on the main dashboard. At the top, you see your estimated total account value, which you can easily hide or reveal for privacy by tapping the eye icon. Below this are quick access buttons for key actions: deposit, send, convert, and more. Your primary crypto balances, like USDT, USDC, and Bitcoin or Ethereum, are displayed in cards, showing the amount and its approximate USD value. Further down, you'll find your recent transaction history. Scrolling down the dashboard reveals dynamic promotional banners highlighting current offers and campaigns, like cashback opportunities and seasonal draws. There are also sections for learning more about the app's features, like the referral program, and an analytics section providing insights into your spending patterns. Navigating to the Card tab using the bottom menu reveals your RedotPay virtual Visa card details. From here, you can manage card settings like freezing it, setting limits, viewing details, or adding it directly to your Google Wallet for easy payments. Card-specific transactions are also listed here. The third tab is dedicated to rewards and promotions. You can find details about the referral program, including earnings and referred friends. Hot picks showcase current popular offers, alongside banners for various campaigns like deposit bonuses, festival offers, and social challenges. Tapping the More icon opens a comprehensive menu of services. Features are neatly categorized into popular actions like referrals and gifts, card management tools, various transaction options including deposit, withdraw, and analytics, and support resources like learning materials and community access. Now, let's look at depositing funds. From the dashboard, tapping Deposit brings up a currency selection screen. Choosing USDT, for example, presents multiple ways to add funds. You can perform an on-chain crypto deposit, use Binance Pay, purchase directly with a credit-debit card, or utilize other third-party payment providers like PayPal or Skrill. For an on-chain deposit, you need to select the correct blockchain network. The app lists supported networks like TON, ERC20, BEP20, and others, showing minimum deposit amounts and confirmation times. It's crucial to ensure the deposit network matches the withdrawal network. Alternatively, selecting credit-debit card allows you to buy crypto directly. Entering the amount you want to spend, say 100 USD, the widget calculates the amount of crypto you'll receive after fees on the chosen network, in this case, USDT on Polygon. It displays the conversion rate and associated fees clearly before you proceed. We'll close this widget for now. The process is similar for other cryptocurrencies like USDC and Ethereum. You select the currency, choose your deposit method, either on-chain or via third-party payment/purchase, and select the appropriate network if doing an on-chain transfer. Exploring the More section further, we see options like creating crypto gifts, managing vouchers, using the Scan feature for QR code transfers, accessing the Learn section for tutorials, connecting with the RedotPay community on social media, and initiating a support chat. Finally, accessing the Profile section reveals your account details, approval status, and referral information. Under Security Settings, you can manage your account security. Payment settings include options like payment priority and low balance alerts. The general settings allow app customization. You can change the default display currency, select your preferred language for the app and communications, adjust the appearance between light and dark modes, and manage app permissions. And that brings us back to the main dashboard, concluding this overview of the RedotPay app's features. RedotPay offers a range of tools for managing and using your crypto assets, from simple deposits and card spending to exploring promotions and customizing your experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.